Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about boarding. What is boarding? For beginners, boarding is a process wherein after check-in, after you collect your boarding pass, you clear your security check and proceed towards the aircraft. This is the process where you follow the laid down procedures and board the aircraft for departure. So how does the boarding process actually happen? Let's discuss about the domestic boarding first. After the check-in is completed, you are given a boarding pass. The passenger, will have to go towards the security hold area where security frisking is done. Physically, the security checks each and every passenger as per the security guidelines. The hand luggage of every passenger is checked, and also the boarding pass which you're carrying is checked. If you are carrying the right boarding card for the right date and the right flight is verified by the security hold area. After you clear the security check, the passenger reports at the boarding gate which is assigned for the respective flight, from where the boarding hall staff checks the identity of the passenger. In certain cases, there is a manual boarding process. In certain cases, there is an automated boarding process. In a manual boarding process, the staff physically checks the detail of the boarding pass and ascertains the correct details and releases them for the boarding of the aircraft. In a automated boarding, the boarding card is scanned, the barcode of the boarding card is scanned, and the system will verify the identity of the passenger and will let you know if the passenger is permitted to travel or not. That's about boarding on a domestic flight. At the time of the boarding, the particular staff will make a note of the particular passenger who's boarding. If it's a manual boarding, in a system boarding, the system will make note of the particular passenger, so they will know that this particular passenger has boarded the flight, and only after the boarding of the flight, the baggage of the passenger is dispatched from the aircraft. In case, as per the rule, in case the passenger doesn't board the flight, they have to offload the baggage from the cargo compartment. These are the guidelines laid by the government of India. And for boarding for an international flight, after the passenger checks in at the check-in counter, collects the immigration form, fills in the immigration form, the passenger first goes to the immigration. The immigration verifies the documents of the passenger. They will profile the passenger based on the identity, and there are certain guidelines which they follow. After the immigration clears the passenger, there is a small passage for customs, and passengers who have to declare anything at the customs need to contact the staff officer assigned at the customs. After the customs is done, then they go for the security check, where the security staff physically checks the passengers, and the baggage is also checked for any articles which are not permitted to carry in hand luggage. From there, the passengers will go to the assigned boarding gate and board the aircraft. The boarding process remains the same for both domestic and international, but the process between check-in and boarding for international and domestic flight is slightly different.